All right, so welcome back. Here's our second lesson. Now, today we're going to be talking about the order of operations. Most students know it as please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I like to think of it as please email my dad a shark. But you can, of course, keep going with the old one. Now, I find that when I teach this, a lot of students think they know the order of operations. They think they have it down, but there's a specific issue that I find a lot of algebra students have. So let's talk about what that specific issue is. So the order of operations is parentheses first, then exponents, and it's not multiplication first, or after that. It's multiplication and division at the same time from left to right. So if a division problem happens first from left to right, that one is done first. And if a multiplication problem is first from left to right, that one is done first. And then the same is true for addition and subtraction. It's not addition and then subtraction. It's addition and subtraction at the same time from left to right. This one small thing is something that I often have to try to help students understand. It's not always multiplication and then division. They're done at the same time left to right. And the same is true for addition and subtraction. So pay attention to that. Let's take a look at an example. So first, we've got in parentheses 5 plus 7 divided by 3 plus 8 times 2 to the third. So the first thing you do is the parentheses here. 5 plus 7 makes 12. And then you've got divided by 3 plus 8 times 2 to the third. 2 to the third is 8. So in this case, that would turn into 12 divided by 3 plus 8 times 8. Now in this example, it doesn't matter which order you do the multiplication or the division, but the division actually comes first because it's first left to right. So 12 divided by 3 would be 4. 8 times 8 is 64. And so that would be 68. Now since we're in algebra, let's take a look at using this with variables. So in this example, we're going to say that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So we have x times, in parentheses, 3 plus y, minus, in parentheses, 3 plus y, times 3 squared. So replacing the values in, from left to right, this would then read 2 times 3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 times 3 squared. So parentheses first, we'd have 2 times 6 minus 6 times 3 squared. Exponents next, that 3 squared turns into a 9, which would give us 2 times 6 minus 54, 6 times 9. So 2 times 6 is 12, 12 minus 54 would turn this whole thing into negative 42. All right, so there we go, order of operations. The assignment link to this is in the Lesson 2 folder in the black algebra crate in the back of the classroom. As far as the due date goes on that, I'll discuss that in class with you guys, and I'll also put it on the website. So I hope everybody out there has themselves a great day.